Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are going to be testing brand new drugstore and high-end makeup. We are pretty much doing a full face of both of them, and of course at the end I'm going to give you my honest thoughts and opinions on the newest launches. Are these products worth it? Should you go spend your money? Should you save your money? Let's see. This is a first impression pretty much for everything, so I'm really excited. I hope you are too. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's get a glam together trying out a brand new drugstore and high-end makeup. Let's get into it. All right. I hope you guys are ready. You got your cafecito, your cold coffee, your matcha, your wine. Not judging you if you're drinking wine at 2 o'clock. Sometimes it's one of those days and we just need a little wine, you know? I'm going to start off today with the eyes because I have this like fun eyeshadow look in mind, if you will. I am literally scraping off the last bit of my ABH concealer. I've been saying this for probably a year at this point. I mean, that tells you that there's still some product in here and I refuse to buy a new one until I completely empty this out, okay? We're gonna do an eyeshadow look based on a little single shadow. I forgot to show you this in my last haul. If you missed it, literally the last video, I posted an Ulta haul. And I don't know, I think it was sitting at the bottom of the bag. I don't know. But I picked up this little eyeshadow from Half Magic and it is quite literally one of the most gorgeous shadows ever. It is called Blushing Lizard and it's stunning. It's this one right here. I swatched it for y'all. Okay, maybe not, but anyways, gorgeous, love it, and that's what we're gonna use today. We're gonna do our look. The color here, it's like iridescent, right? I see some like purple undertones, so I'm thinking let's do like a wine color on the lids. And for that, I am going to be using, I think, 2 palettes. I'm not sure. But I wanted to showcase the Icy Nude on my channel because I don't think I've ever even talked about it on my channel. And this palette is the perfect winter palette. So we're going to use this and I'm just going to cue music and possibly a voiceover. So y'all enjoy this tutorial, okay? Or one coffee and one ice cream. Okay, can we take a moment and just admire this eye look? Gorgeous. This eyeshadow, I definitely need to pick up a full face of Half Magic Cosmetics because never tried anything from this brand besides their little like eyeliner like stamp guide thing. Other than that, nothing. So with that said, we are going to prep the skin literally only using this Milani Clean Start Prep step. It's a facial mist, so this preps the skin for a toned and even base before makeup application. So let's spray the skin. I've had my skincare on for a few hours. I've been out and about today. I'm filming this video Thursday. You should see it Friday. I took Lincoln out just because I've been home a lot. I've had makeup classes. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I hosted my very first makeup class and I've been having so much fun, but that requires me to be home a lot. So I made time to go take Lincoln to a local a local park here where they have a splash pad, and he had a blast. So my skin is like just drinking everything up because we were out in the sun so much. So now we're gonna go in with the brand new the POREfessional foundation from Benefit. This is a smoothing and blurring foundation. Visibly smooth skin and minimize the look of pores thanks to skin loving ingredients including a niacinamide and rose hip extract. Medium buildable coverage, a natural matte finish. It has a 24-hour long wear, all-day pore blurring, non-comedogenic, waterproof, and transfer-proof. Feels weightless and looks seamless. 96% said a visibly smooth texture, and 97% said bare skin is smoother over time. I don't know that I ever believe those claims, but we are going to see if this really does smooth out the skin. So I'm going to do one pump, and this is in the shade 22 Neutral. Okay, I mean, do I see a big difference? Honestly, no. I wouldn't say my skin looks super blurred. It looks nice and soft, and it does have that nice like semi-matte finish, but I wouldn't say it's like ultra blurring. I think I have other foundations that make my skin look a lot more blurred than this. So that is interesting. Let's just finish this other side of the face. So the foundation does look really pretty on the skin, but I'm not seeing like the blurred effect that I thought I was going to see. I don't know what I was expecting, I guess, but this just looks, it looks nice. I'm not blown away. I really was expecting something else, and it's just not, it's not really doing it for me. So unless you absolutely want this foundation, I would just say skip on it because it's all right. It's all right. I'm sorry. It's all right. Let me do concealer. And for that, I'm going to use my new L'Oreal Skin Ink Concealer in the shade Warm 140. This has been my new go-to concealer. If you watched one of my last videos where I showed you like my everyday go-to no foundation, no lashes makeup routine, this is the star of the show, okay? This concealer is so good. It's lightweight. It's almost like watery, but the coverage on it is so nice, and it just, I don't know, it melts into the skin, and I love that it kind of like sets on its own, so you don't necessarily have to set it. But of course, me being oily, hello, I always do. Let's go in and add some bronzer. I'm going to try the new Morphe Shapelifter Micro Contour Sticks. These are supposed to just sculpt your face. And I low-key tried this the other day because I was getting ready and I wanted to do my makeup, and I had this downstairs. So I was like, you know what, let me give this a try. And amazing. Morphe, you know what you're doing with your new rebrand, and I am so here for it. I'm going to also contour my nose with this. Look at how beautiful and easy that blends in. I don't know, I really like how creamy this product is. I really like the colors. I like that it's small, so it's really nice for like nose contouring, to be more specific. If you wanted to use this for like cream contour on your eyes, you can also do that. I don't know, it's a very practical, beginner friendly contour stick, and I really like the formula. I almost forgot, but let's go in with the new ABH Magic Touch Blush Trio in the shade Peach. I am so excited. I'm going to use this little Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip it into both of these shades down here. This is more of a peachy, and this is more coral, but we're gonna mix them both and see what little concoction. Honestly, this one would look really pretty with today's eye look, but I don't think I'm quite ready for that shade, so let's go in here. I did set my under eyes, so I'm wondering how this is going to look with powder, but so far so good. Oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. I love how this shade is. I love the color of the shade. It's like that perfect bright peachy orange. I don't know, but it's gorgeous and I'm here for it. You know what? Let's add a little bit of this darker shade and we're gonna add it like more towards out here. Why not? I'm gonna use the back of that brush. Let's see how it looks. That's pretty actually. Okay, now I gotta blend this all the way because I brought it up too high. What do you guys think? That is a beautiful shade. Oh my gosh, I love the color. This blends really nice right on top of powder, so you can use it both ways. We are going to add a bronzer and we're going to add this one from ABH. This is the Smooth Blur Bronzer. Let me grab a bronzing brush. This is in the shade Tropical Tan. Let's see what this is giving. You know what? This is pretty, but I don't know. I'm so like, I feel like I'm so close-minded when it comes to bronzers. Like, I like what I like. The bronzer that I'm obsessed with right now is the Fenty Beauty Island Tings. I've had this forever. And look at the difference in like the undertones. And I love this one. This is my type of bronzer. This one, not so much. I see what they say when it comes to like the blurring effect because it is very velvety, but the color is just not my favorite. I know a lot of people prefer this type of shade. For me, I would just stick with my Sunstalker Island Tings bronzer from Fenty. This has been my go-to for the past month or so. So, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, honestly. I think the last thing we have to try is a lip combo, and this is new from Milani. They came out with some lip oils and some new lip liners. So this is the new Milani Keep It Full Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Hot Tamale. And then from NYX, I picked up this Fat Lip Drip Oil in the shade Chillin' Like a Villain. It is so pretty and I love these little lip oils. They're so glossy and creamy and they feel really soft on the lips. Let's add the lip oil. Oh my gosh. This is going to be my new go-to fall lippy. And with that, friends, this look is complete. This is a full face using new Drugstore and high-end makeup. What do we think? What do we think? Honestly, this video was kind of like up and down. Some products that I thought I was going to love, I didn't absolutely love. If I had to choose like maybe two standout products, would definitely have to be the lip combo for me. You guys know I live for a good lip combo and the eyeshadow. Those were like the two products that truly stood out to me in today's video that I would highly recommend. Every other product, whether I liked it or not, they're products you don't absolutely need. But this eyeshadow, I think it's kind of like cute and kind of a need because it is so pretty. And I love how like sparkly it is, very minimal effort. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's full face testing brand new Drugstore and high-end makeup. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you picking up anything in today's video that we showcased, that we talked about, that we tested out, or are you just going to just skip on everything? Because honestly, again, you don't need any new makeup. Let's use what we have, but it's fun. It's fun to try out new things. Let me know your thoughts. I love you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!